Facts about network marketing global 2000 and 2019. Facts about industries in India. Nature of network marketing in India. This is increasing very fast. Growth drivers of network marketing in India positive and earn money. Why forever living product? The power of forever is the power of love. Cash rich and debt free. Over 1.5 million in assets privately. Global marketplace operating in over 163 countries. Forever World the best aloe vera company. Our entire operation begins here. You must use Forever vertical integrated company. Forever owns controls cultivation, manufacturing facilities, research and development, quality control. Forever our process from plant to produce to you. State of the art manufacturing, packaging and patient. Forever nutritional and exceeding standards. Forever Living has committed itself. Forever as an innovation hub. You must use this product. Doing our part of the environment. AVA has received the Blue Thumb Award. Forever Diet, a global connection with on distribution center means forever superior quality consumable products, safe nature, GM free ingredients. Forever Living products in India. Interesting facts. This is increasing very fast in India from 2020. And country sales manager in India Harish Rao. Forever Pure stabilized aloe vera is the heart of its entire Forever harvesting by hand. Forever Living has committed itself to the highest available industry standards, hand harvested. Forever the right verify. Aloe Barbados Miller. Nature, nutrition and rich the aloe leaf. Nutrition rich. Lignin, sapone, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, etc. Why FLP aloe vera? Aloe vera whole leaf versus FLP aloe vera gel. Forever aloe vera gel. Aloe just as nature intended. Fresher. Forever certificate IAAC, Kosar, M Halal, currently free ISO. Forever immunity, one of the best immunity power in the world and food supplement. Forever you can lead a better life with us as a preferred customer and access to the world class quality products. Convenience of online shopping delivered directly to your home. 100% product. Forever you can lead a better life with us as a viewer you can build a business. Forever what do we do? Use the products, become your own best customer. Forever start your business. 10 to 20,000, 25 to 75,000, 1 lakh to 15 lakh. Product seller, what you should do? Develop 20 plus regular customer. Product promoter typical. Business leader, what you should do? Find 5 key people multiplying your time. Business coach, coach your business leaders to develop their own independent business. They can earn a lot of money. Forever starting working with 5k people. Teach everyone to use the product. Develop 20 to 30 customers. Use hair training and cc case credit aloe vera gel 1000 equal to 1 cc. And start with assistant supervisor and end with eagle manager. What next after manager? Senior manager, showing manager, sapphire manager, diamond manager. Wow. How can you earn? Senior manager 125 lakh plus, showing manager 20 lakh plus, sapphire manager 3 lakh plus. Want more? We got more. Leadership bonus, car plan, global rally, chairman bonus. Wow. Forever leadership bonus, royalty style income 48%, 48%, 48%, 48%. 1 lakh PM manager turnover. Forever gym bonus. Wow, get up to 9% additional commission in your forever business. Forever to drive car plan level 1, level 2, level 3, 26, 39 and 52,000. Forever to drive car plan 930,000, 14 lakhs, 4,000, 18 lakhs, 72,000. Forever Eagle Manager retreat the extracts. See the world while you earn. Travel to the predestined location along with global. What should we do forever? Forever, one of the best business plans in the world. You must do it. Forever Global Rally, the extracts an exciting destination full of adventure and easier. Forever Chairman bonus the extra 3%. Very nice. Of the turnover of the company. Forever Chairman bonus the extra a single day overall payout 25 qualifiers at the Global Rally in 2009. Wow. Forever Chairman bonus the extra 63 crore of the checks since the inception of the chairman. Forever unique features of your marketing plan. Global business is in more than 160 countries. No joining fees. Forever unique feature of our marketing plan. No reversion from your level. Royalty income. You can do business anywhere. And above all, bonus paid on 143% of wholesale price. Net core member. Real people Sunil Gupta, Pankaj Gupta, Tara Sultana, Mandeep Kamboj, they all have earned millions of rupees from Forever. Now they are legend of Forever. They have earned and learned a lot of things. To help you, high quality training led by product and business experts. In business for yourself but never alone. Sounds too good to be true. Time and effort are required. Take your business seriously. Be open to learning. Or life is all about choice. The choice you make today will determine your future. The next step is Forever. You have the drive and the dreams. We at Forever help you fulfill them. You must join Forever. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe.